Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use the Language Reactor Chrome extensions, a powerful tool that helps you translate YouTube subtitles and learn new language more easily. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Chrome and make sure you are signed in with your Google account. And then next, just go to three dots icon and then choose extensions, this one, and then choose visit Chrome Web Store. And then just search for Language Reactor. This one, and then just tap on add to Chrome and then tap on add extensions. Like this. When it's installed, you will see the Language Reactor icon appear on your toolbar like this, and then it will take you to the new page like this. And then on here you can just select your language that you want to learn. For example, in here Spanish, but don't worry, it will automatically match this video that you open on YouTube. Next, just open your YouTube. And then just search video that you want to open. Okay, like this, just open your YouTube video like this that has subtitles, and then the extensions will automatically translate them into your favorite language like this. And then in here you can click the settings icon to change your learning and translations language anytime like this. And then here's the cool part. You can click any word in subtitle to see its meaning like this. Like this. Just tap on it. And then you will get a pop-up like this. You can see its meaning with the details like this. And then you can get pronunciations like this. And then you can get a usage example like this. And then grammar. You can also learn the grammar. It's super useful. And okay, that's it. Language Reactor makes your language learning more fun and effortless across YouTube and other sites. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.